Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, August 9th, and we're going to take a look here at Euro futures and talk a little bit about the current setup that we're watching with this market. So basically, all week since we had the original run-up earlier in the week, we've just been compressing the past 4 days. And with this market, we are just trading inside of a narrowing range, which makes us a pennant pattern. Now, before I go on any further and explain what exactly we're looking for to happen with this setup, make sure you hit that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already done so. So with that being said, what are we watching with this pennant and what are we going to look for with the euro? Well, there's a couple things you need to be aware of. First off, President Trump yesterday was talking about how he wanted a weaker dollar. He wanted to weaken the dollar. That the dollar was too strong. He wasn't happy with that. Now, if they decide to start weakening the dollar, that should send the euro higher. All right, so keep that in mind. The second thing we look at is we have the MZT on here, which is what's putting these arrows on the chart. And you can see something interesting that's happening today as of right now that's forming. That's a bullish MZT arrow. And you can see where we've had the MZT trigger in the past here. We had short, had bullish set up here and here, but it just didn't follow through. So we are triggering an MZT to the upside. Now, the other interesting thing that's happening here is we've now broken through the previous pivot highs. Whereas back here when we had these bullish MZT, we were still technically in a downtrend. Now we're actually technically in an uptrend on our 240s because we have higher highs and we're still maintaining higher pivot lows every time we have a swing low, which is important. So what we're watching for now with regards to the euro is a break to the upside. Now, remember, I'm not sitting here saying, go buy the euro right now. It's going to break to the upside. I'm not sure. If it breaks to the upside, though, we're ready and we're looking for a long. So it's lining up to be bullish. And if we do have an upside break early next week or maybe even this afternoon, then that should be a good trade setup for a potential nice move back to the upside. And then the next targets would be, well, the first test would be, can we get through these pivot highs up here at 1285? And then we're looking at going all the way up to 1.133. Or these previous pivot highs where we had resistance up there. So that's what we're watching for with the euro. Personally, I was trading dollar weakness by selling the US dollar Japanese yen forex pair. I sold that yesterday afternoon, covered it just a little while ago. Worked out fairly well, but now we're looking at potential euro US dollar spike to the upside here. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.